Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Anne, the home bartender. Today's cocktail is a classic tiki drink. People always talk to me about how tiki drinks are too sweet, but today's cocktail is a really well-balanced tiki drink. It's got gin and 3 other very wonderful components that make it out of this world. So today we are making a Saturn cocktail. Stay tuned, ingredients are coming up next. You will need 1.5 ounces of gin, 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of passion fruit syrup, 1/4 ounce of orgeat, 1/4 ounce of velvet falernum, and we're going to garnish with a lemon rind and a cherry on a cocktail pick. I wanted to give a little shout out to the creators on Etsy. There's so many amazing creators on there, and this apron was made by Kitchen Style Aprons. Super fun retro aprons. I really like it. I might be sporting some aprons on this channel. Who knows? You let me know in the comments. Also, shout out to my girl Lisa on Etsy. She is the Flying Hostess, and she flies all over the world and finds all kinds of treasures like glassware and vintage antiques, and that is where I got this beautiful glass. So look in the description down below for a discount code from the Flying Hostess and go visit her shop. Thank you again, Lisa, for all the glassware and the support. Where I live, I always say right after Halloween, the weather changes, so let's shake this cocktail before the switch gets flipped. So I'm starting with 1/2 ounce of passion fruit syrup, 1/4 ounce of orgeat, 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. And then we're going to have 1/4 ounce of velvet falernum. And then we'll do 1.5 ounces of gin. All right, going to add a little bit of ice to my shaker and shake this up. I didn't add a ton of ice to it because I'm just going to dump it over the top of a glass filled with ice. So let's do that. Let's get our glass here. Move that actually. And I'm going to fill this about 3/4 of the way with ice. A little bit more. Okay, good enough. And then let's get our cocktail over the top. All right. Then I'll add just a little bit more ice to it, just to top it up here. Make it look a little like it has a dome on the top. Then let's get this really cool, this is a traditional Saturn cocktail garnish. So let's get that on there. And that is a Saturn. All right, I'm going to try this cocktail for you. First thing I'm going to do is add a little Surfside sip straw so I can taste it a little easier. Oh, this is such a good cocktail. Okay, it's a stiff drink actually, but it's not strong, like the gin isn't overpowering the cocktail. It has that 3 tiki combo of the falernum, and I'm using Liber and Co. Orgeat syrup today. And then I also use Liquid Alchemist passion fruit syrup. So all of that combined, it's like a really fruity, nice, easy drink. It's kind of got a little herbal, little bit nutty component from that falernum, and that lemon makes it's just smooth. It doesn't make it super tart actually. It's a nice change from rum, and I really enjoy this drink a lot. So that's it for me today. If you have tried this drink and you make it, please take a minute and comment about the Saturn below. What kind of gin do you like to use in there? I'd like to know because I really like to interact with you guys. One thing, hit the subscribe button before you leave. It's one of the very few things in life that is free. So we will see you next week. Be well. It's nice to sip